Okay, so welcome to Euron everyone, and from tomorrow onwards we are going to start our new live bootcamp batch for a generative AI. Obviously, generative AI is important. I believe everyone should learn generative AI irrespective of the domain, irrespective of the technology you are working into. I believe that everyone in the age of AI should be aware about all the generative AI framework, how it is going to work, or how you can try to call the APIs, how you can try to make use of a different kind of LLMs, and many more things. So tomorrow we are going to start this particular live batch, which is going to run for 4 to 5 months approximately. And yeah, so if you will go and check the syllabus, I have already mentioned, and so many times we have already discussed about it. So almost like a lot of discussions we have done, and now it's time to start. And obviously this batch is going to happen in a complete 100% interactive mode, where so I'll be personally clearing your doubt, and we have a WhatsApp group as well, so where you will be able to meet and greet your fellow batch mates. And yeah, so we are known for the affordability, so obviously that is there, plus for a API, because you are trying to learn a generative AI, and anyone is learning a generative AI, so obviously you need an access of a not just one or two model, but a multiple models. So you don't have to worry about any kind of a API, whether it's a API from a OpenAI, Google, Meta, Mistral, DeepSeek, Alibaba, LG Together, Black Forest, or a Play AI. Each and everything is available inside a Yuri API ecosystem. So we are giving you a 365 lakh token in a year, 1 lakh per day. So it's a too much, it's a too huge, right? And yeah, so you will be able to track each and everything inside your API tracking dashboard. So everything is super fine, and the nurtured in such a way that you are not supposed to go anywhere. Everything you will be able to get it in a one single place. And yeah, so just try to go ahead with the syllabus, and you will be amazed. The kind of a project that I'm going to discuss, the kind of a system that you are going to get, the kind of a discussion that we are going to do. Believe me, try once and then let me know about your review, let me know about your feedback. So with that, I'm super excited. Obviously, tomorrow morning 9 o'clock we are going to kick off this particular batch, and tomorrow is going to be the introduction session. So tomorrow we'll be having a lot of discussion around this entire Euron ecosystem, and obviously across a generative AI. Then for day after tomorrow, so we are going to start the actual syllabus. So with that, thank you so much everyone, take care, and see you again.